Whether you think you can or you think you can't, your mindset shapes your future. Great achievements begin with simple ideas. Hard work creates opportunities that luck never can. Failure is simply another lesson on the road to success. Progress belongs to those who keep moving. A vision without action remains only a dream. Every problem carries the seed of a solution. Success is built one small step at a time. Confidence grows through consistent effort. Opportunity often hides inside difficulty. Never stop improving your skills. The future rewards those who prepare today. Innovation begins where fear ends. Discipline is stronger than motivation. Keep your focus on solutions, not obstacles. Success belongs to persistent people. Small improvements create massive results. Great leaders inspire through action. Your habits shape your destiny. Dream big, but work bigger. Courage turns ideas into reality. Learn from yesterday and build tomorrow. Every expert was once a beginner. Don't fear mistakes. Fear standing still. Excellence is created through repetition. The impossible becomes possible with persistence. Winners find ways, not excuses. Success requires patience and determination. Action defeats doubt. Believe in your ability to improve. Great companies begin with great ideas. Consistency beats talent when talent quits. Never waste energy complaining. Progress starts with a single decision. Focus on creating value for others. Hard times build stronger people. Keep learning because knowledge creates power. Success follows preparation. Every challenge strengthens your character. Confidence comes from doing the work. Leaders solve problems instead of blaming others. Success starts with self-belief. Build something that outlives you. Growth requires change. Excellence is a daily habit. Keep improving even when no one notices. Big dreams require bigger commitment. Never underestimate simple ideas. Determination overcomes limitations. Your future depends on today's choices. Stay humble while achieving greatness. Innovation changes the world. Keep your eyes on the goal. Success belongs to disciplined minds. Learn faster than your competition. Every setback contains valuable wisdom. Persistence beats resistance. Believe before others believe in you. Build your own opportunities. Action creates momentum. Fear disappears through action. Greatness grows from consistency. Focus creates extraordinary results. Stay positive under pressure. Every day offers a fresh beginning. The strongest people never stop learning. Success demands responsibility. Build confidence through preparation. Good ideas deserve hard work. Time rewards productive people. Create more than you consume. Success leaves clues for those willing to learn. Think differently and act boldly. Strong habits build strong futures. Success is earned daily. Turn obstacles into opportunities. Keep moving despite uncertainty. Believe in steady progress. Great ideas require brave hearts. Success is impossible without effort. Character matters more than comfort. Build your future with discipline. Hard work creates lasting success. Every day is another chance to improve. Growth begins outside your comfort zone. Learn from successful people, but follow your own path. Never stop building your dreams. Consistent effort wins long races. The best investment is self-improvement. Keep creating solutions. Great achievements require patience. Stay committed to your purpose. Innovation starts with curiosity. Build confidence by keeping promises to yourself. Strong minds create strong businesses. Keep your standards high. Success begins inside your mind. Work with passion and purpose. Your determination defines your future. The road to success is built by those who refuse to quit. Failure is simply the opportunity to begin again, this time more intelligently. Coming together is a beginning, keeping together is progress, working together is success. Obstacles are those frightful things you see when you take your eyes off your goal. Nothing is particularly hard if you divide it into small jobs. Anyone who stops learning is old, whether at 20 or 80. Quality means doing it right when no one is looking. Don't find fault. Find a remedy. Thinking is the hardest work there is, which is probably why so few engage in it. Vision. Without execution is just hallucination. You can't build a reputation on what you are going to do. The whole secret of a successful life is to find out what one's destiny is to do. My best friend is the one who brings out the best in me. There is no man living who isn't capable of doing more than he thinks he can do. Most people spend more time and energy going around problems than trying to solve them. If everyone is moving forward together, then success takes care of itself. Even a mistake may turn out to be the one thing necessary to a worthwhile achievement. The only real mistake is the one from which we learn nothing. You cannot learn in school what the world is going to do next year. Believe in yourself before expecting others to believe in you. Never stop learning. Solve problems instead of complaining. Innovation creates opportunity. Teamwork multiplies success. Small improvements lead to great achievements. Hard work beats excuses. Think differently from everyone else. Keep moving despite failure. Success belongs to persistent people.